Seriously though, my skin is so soft right now. Today, I am happy to give you the skin-loving scoop on Honeyskin's Ultimate Face and Body Cream. From daily showers to weekend fun in the sun, my skin, and probably yours as well, can get really dried out. That's where this stuff comes in. It tightens, soothes, and deeply hydrates my skin. In the morning, it's a perfect under makeup moisturizer base. Before bed, you can use it as your full face night cream or in place of your expensive eye serum. To alleviate itching, redness, breakouts, and other uncomfortable skin conditions, you apply twice daily on affected areas. It absorbs super quick, and it doesn't leave any greasy or oily residue. Immediately, my skin soaks up the organic, nutrient-rich formula. And the Manuka honey gives it this really lovely but gentle scent that I love. This product is now my twice daily, all things skincare go-to. I don't know about you, but for me, when my skin looks good, I feel confident. And that's huge for me.